I'm ashamed to admit that I let you guys get me to the point where I had to take a step back from talking about being an Igbo Muslim woman on this platform. And I only took a step back because you people think you're crazy. I'm worse. But for the sake of my sanity and for the sake of Ramadan and for the sake of Allah, I had to take a huge step back because you people be trying it on this app. I am not the only Igbo Muslim woman that you ever find in this life. There are so many of them in Enugu, Onitsha. They have mosques everywhere. Like, what is this? And for those of you saying you're Igbo, so you're supposed to be Christian. Aronapoge. Eh? And I am absolutely not doing a story time on why I decided to be Muslim. I'm absolutely not doing that. So you keep waiting. And for those of you that have supported me through my journey, I love you guys so much and I appreciate you guys. And your support does not go unappreciated because I see it, I feel it, and me and you are like this, you know? And for the rest, let's be calm because I'm tired of pretending like my head is okay because it's really not. Let's all be guided, I beg. And it's okay to do your research because I'm not answering any questions. Google is free.